So Monday, I think it's August 3rd or 4th, and it is raining to beat hell right now. Just took the dogs for a walk down to the river, and there's a torrential downpour. So there's not really much to do on a rain day. So Dad's doing some welding on Hopper's trailer hitch here and trying to do something productive. But it literally just stopped raining, but kind of soaked right to the bone here. Little dog's out of the shop. She's getting used to everybody around here and running around, and so just heard back from Aiden, and Aiden told me that he's eager to get back. He says where he's working is hotter than hell as well, and he's got a contract that he's got to complete in Saskatchewan. Thinks if he's hopeful that he'll be back on Thursday or Friday of this week, which is fine by Dad. Dad said he might stain this wood here today just to get it done and out of the way. But it's Dad needs dry weather. Little cat is interesting little dog as well. But yeah, we need dry weather for us to roll this out and get everything last bit sanded, and then Dad can do his painting. So hopefully the weather improves around here, because this is the wettest summer we've gone through in 5 years, and it's really holding up Dad's progress, because you can't really haul this out of the shop and do the sanding and the painting and the priming, or the painting, because if rain comes in, well, then he's kind of hooped. So it's a matter of doing what we can here. If we can get this airboat out, we might be able to actually just push it into the first position here, and then put that fan on and do our sanding from there, because I really hate it when Dad's sanding in the shop. It's just that paint gets on everything, that old paint and the old dust, and it just makes a hell of a mess around here. And you're constantly sweeping up and blowing out all the old shit, and then you end up going through a gazillion furnace filters. Now, I put this one in last month, and we've barely run this thing, and it's plugged solid again. And so a bunch of small little jobs around here. Dad got some new old transmissions that he's going to try and fix for guys. When you take out the old transmission out of the old original Bombardiers, Dad puts in the new engine and transmission here, but he's got these old ones. Sorry, the door slammed there. You get these old ones, and they guys still want them. Try to avoid these things, but they can be repaired. And then Dad fixes them up, and then we just put them in storage. Once in a blue moon, a guy wants one. Sometimes we're asked by three different guys in 1 week if we have them. But generally, as we fix them up, they're pretty much well sold and out the door. Anyways, yeah. So it's lazy days at the shop here again, guys. It's I almost feel guilty with the videos I'm doing here, because there's not real much progress, and with Aiden gone, Dad can only do so much, and the weather is just not holding it. Like, every time I look at the forecast, it looks clear, or like a minuscule chance of rain, and then 2 minutes later it's pouring rain out. And the forecast, when you read it in town, might say one thing, and then 5 miles east of town, where Dad's shop is, it's an entirely different story. And we live right next to, or the shop's right next to the river here, so there's more moisture in the air as well. But yeah, I spent the morning just sweeping up the shop for about an hour, and it's remarkable the amount of dust and accumulation of crap around here you can collect up when you haven't done it in a week. So my sister and my niece are in town, and they're still sleeping, so I'm going to came out to the shop to try and help out Dad with whatever I can, but I can't cut any more grass today because it was raining out earlier. And yeah, more just to get the little dog acclimatized to the shop, of which she absolutely loves, and she's soaking wet right now. Look at this little shithead. And she loves Emily and Charlie and the cat, and oh, I should have been out here since day one. Look at this, zoomies. But yeah, so just gonna keep on cleaning here today, guys, and let Dad finish off his welding. He can have a relaxing day. It's Terry Fox Day here in Canada. Any Canadian knows who Terry Fox is, but maybe people from other countries that are tuning in don't know the significance of Terry Fox. He's our greatest Canadian, and it's hard for anybody to talk about Terry Fox in Canada without choking up. I know I do. But yeah, so a little bit of jobs here, guys. Shout out to my Auntie Joyce, who's hyping our videos. Apparently she gets 3 hypes a week, and she uses it on our videos, which we love. If you're using a cell phone, I figured out that's where the hypes are coming from. You can hype a video that you like, and I think you just got to be logged in as a registered user, and then you can start hyping videos. But big shout out to Jeff Anderson, who always comments. Love his comments. And you know, Mr. and Mrs. Steve McCoy and Mr. and Mrs. Clarence Olson, and anybody else wants a shout out, just comment down below here and we'll give you a shout out, and let us know where you're from. Dad loves to know who's commenting and where they're commenting from, and it's a big part of his day. He asks any comments, and he loves comments. So I'm going to finish it off here, guys. I can't foresee too much else happening here today besides Dad welding. So I'll put in the dog's trip down to the riverbank here at the end, and you guys can see how the little dog is acclimatizing to the shop now. Okay, we'll catch you in the guys in the next video. Oh, little dog just loves big sister Emily. I tried following Charles into the bush over here, but Charles wanted nothing to do with it. He's gonna go take a big turd. Already eating with the big dogs. So I was gonna share Emily's bowl, and Emily didn't want anything to do with that, so I put her in front of Charlie's bowl because Charlie's taking a dump in the bush right now. Starting to accept the little dog. And Emily growled her this morning, but we're all going to the river, and we just love going to the river. And the little dog's just running, and Charles is all full of pep. Oh, what a good day. Raining, but nobody's too worried. Go check everything out. Oh, the little dog's just so happy. I got big dog friends. Everybody's soaking wet already, including her. Let's see who goes swimming here. Charlie looks like he's contemplating it, but Emily will probably go in. Okay, who's going in? Nobody's going in for a swim. Oh, she's so little rough and tumble. Nobody went for a swim. Charles just looked at the water and peed over everything, and then the little squirty shithead's gonna follow Filipino Emily around here. Oh, they're becoming friends. That's good. Oh, I just love my Emily and my Charlie. Yeah, oh, just prancing around. You're out. Yeah, these guys are all going to be pals. She's a toughie. Gotta be tough at the shop. Yeah, squirty shithead. I'm glad she's friends with Emily, and Emily's friends with her now, because Emily looked pretty jealous this morning when I showed up with this little thing. Yeah.